The fear of spiders. I don't know why, but for whatever reasons, spiders is the one animal that many people fear. And if you want to help someone deal with their fear of spiders, this is how you do it. So first, we have the intellectualization, right? So intellectualizing it means that this person who is afraid of spiders, he needs to read a little bit about spiders. He needs to learn about them. He needs to understand that it doesn't make any sense to fear spiders because you know what? They don't really care about you. They're not really interested in people to begin with. They are sitting there doing their own thing, and we are just standing here fearing them. But they don't really care about us. They're interested in their own lives. So learn about them, understand a little bit that they don't care, that they have their own thing, understand that the fear itself doesn't make any sense, and that sort of thing. Our second technique is to slowly and gradually have more and more experience with the fear, confronting the fear, right? So, again, reading books or watching movies about spiders is one way to experience spiders more, have more time with spiders. Obviously, if you actually have spiders in your room, don't be so quick into killing them or removing them or whatever. Just spend some time, more and more, gradually come closer and closer, stand closer and closer to the spider. At the beginning, be very far from it. As you come closer and closer and closer, you will see very quickly that the spider usually doesn't really care about you. He's more interested in his own little experience. Alright, until you may reach the point that you can be so close to the spider that you can actually take some sort of paper or something, take the spider and remove it from the room to another place. Hopefully you won't kill it because we are not interested in taking other beings' lives, right? That's not what we are doing here. But you can, if you feel uncomfortable with the spider in your own room, traveling in your room, you can just remove it from the room. By the way, I just want to point out that having spiders in your room is actually not such a bad idea because they eat all kinds of insects and all kinds of things that are also not very nice to us, you know? So actually having a spider in your room is not that bad of an idea. But anyway, if you don't enjoy it and you don't want to share your room with another being like a spider, that's fine. But don't fear it. Just gradually have more and more experience with spiders. The third technique is to associate some spiders with something positive. So a great idea is to get, especially if we're talking about some sort of kid, you can get like a doll or some sort of fluffy friend that could be with that kid in the form of a spider. And then this kid can sleep at night cuddling that fluffy spider. And over time, you know, because this spider now has a personality and a name and all of that, it would help him remove the fear of spiders. All right?